Welcome back to Preservation Travels with Lane and Kevin. Today we're back in beautiful Helena, Arkansas, and we're going to be taking you on a tour of the Cassidy home. This home was built in 1917, a time when Helena was a flourishing city. Helena was once a timber industry town, and the early 20th century was a time when timber was in great demand, transported up and down the Mississippi River just steps from the town's downtown. Downtown was thriving, with the first electric trolley car seen in the state of Arkansas. Helena, Arkansas was a Union stronghold on the Mississippi River, and its history during the American Civil War primarily revolves around the Battle of Helena on July the 4th of 1863. In this major, bloody Confederate offensive, Lieutenant General Theophilus Holmes' forces attacked the fortified Union garrison led by Major General Benjamin Prentiss in an effort to relieve pressure on the besieged Vicksburg. Despite initial gains, the Confederates ultimately failed, suffering heavy losses while the Union held the strategically important city. Vicksburg surrendered on the same day, and the Battle of Helena marked the last significant Confederate offensive in Arkansas. Thank you for joining us on Preservation Travels with Lane and Kevin here at our Restoration Nation. We hope you've enjoyed this peek inside this beautiful charmer in gorgeous Helena, Arkansas. If you're the next steward of this home, don't forget to reach out to the realtor in the Zillow listing in the description below. This house is an absolute steal, just steps from downtown historic Cherry Street and right around the corner from our very own Helen. This beauty won't be on the market long.